Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love advice, your love guidance. So how this is going to work is I'm going to go over two main topics, okay? In these readings on YouTube, we go over two topics, and then I also provide extended readings as well. Check out the description box down below for the website for that. And in the beginning of this video, you saw that on the screen too. It is ladyofthethrone.gumroad.com, and that's where you can find your extended version of this reading if this resonates with you. All right, so two things we're going to go over today, Gemini, is the feels. That's going to be how you feel about your person on an internal level, how they feel about you, and also how your person of interest sees you and how you see them. Now, we're just going to go over the main issues, the feelings, the viewpoints. But if you guys would like to get real advice on what's going on and you want to know what are their intentions towards you, that's where I think you should purchase the extended reading to learn more about this connection and what to do and how to fix things, to find answers, okay? So Gemini, let's get started. Alrighty, so March 16th to the 31st, Gemini, I feel like you guys are feeling a little frustrated with some things, but I don't know if you guys are feeling frustrated from the connection or from outside things that's happening in your life. I'm just going to tell you what I pick up. I'm getting that a lot of Geminis are in the middle of negotiating some contracts or some legal documents. So this can be in your personal world, or this can be that you're getting a divorce, or you're signing papers to get married, marriage licenses. But there is some frustration surrounding everything right now, though. Some of you are just like angry brides and are bridezillas, and you have a lot going on and you're just so frustrated. And then on top of that, you have a scandalous fiance and you just found out some really sad news recently about this person, or others of you are getting a divorce or going through the whole legal process, or it is something different. Maybe you're dealing with some legal matters in terms of like closing on a home, some type of business situation. Maybe you're taking someone to court or being taken to court. Could be lawsuits involved from auto insurance claims, other claims, work claims. There's just something legal, paperwork, negotiations, or maybe it's really just this energy of you fighting for a connection with a person. And maybe that's why I'm getting strong energy of negotiating things. But this is making you feel like just letting go. This is giving you a feeling of letting yourself go, or letting something go, or letting a person go. You're releasing or letting go of something. For some of you, I hope and I pray that it is not you letting go of yourself at this time, because I'm getting a strong energy right now of you feeling like you're letting go of yourself or wanting to do that, because there's just a lot of things happening around you, okay? You're realizing a lot about your old self, the way you used to be, and you're just like, at this point, I just don't know. I just don't know. I don't know if I'm coming or going. I don't know. All these things, it's like circles are being ran around me right now, and I have no control over anything. So you guys could just feel like you're in a whirlwind of massive confusion, and you just like, I just want to let stuff go. I just don't want to do this anymore. And I don't think that it is about you going to the extreme with this, okay? So please, this is spiritual advice and guidance. This is not something to deter you off of your path or to bring negative thoughts into your consciousness. This is help, all right? So please be open to receiving this help, because I think some of you are just like, I just don't know. And it could, like I said, it could be in any area of your life. But keep watching this, keep listening to this, because I hope that this is going to help you, okay? You're here to hear about love. So 9 times out of 10, it's something going on in your love life, okay? Now, on a more positive note, I do sense that Geminis, you guys are feeling romantic feelings in the midst of everything. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's the duality of your sign, being that you guys are one way one day, one way the next day. One day you're focused on like material things, legal matters, and then the next day you're feeling all romantic in the inside. Maybe you have a crush on someone, and in the midst of everything going on, you like somebody, or you have a love interest in your life, even though you have things going on in your personal life. It's like it's two different sides, and it's happening, and it's definitely showing at this time that there's two different extremes to your energy right now, okay? I'm also getting romantic dates. Some of you could be being taken out on dates, or you're taking someone out on a date. I'm getting expensive things, not just your average bottle of wine here. I'm getting that this person is spending a little bit more money on you than you're used to, or you're a man watching and you're spending a little bit more money on someone, okay, to impress them maybe, or you're just dealing with someone with really expensive taste, or you are the one that has expensive taste at this time. Maybe you're spending more money on luxuries, okay? I'm getting perfumery. Some of you may be getting into perfumery, making fragrances, flower essences. You may be working with that. You could be creating your own cologne or your own perfume, body spray, protection oils, candles, things like that. I'm getting really sensual vibes coming from some of you Geminis. Okay, so if some of you are not dealing with this legal stuff and this like relationship love stuff, then it could definitely be that you're more on the creative, artistic side, and you're indulging right now and lavishing yourself with beautiful things. Some of you want your surroundings to be really beautiful. Some of you could be adorning your homes right now with fancy things, fancy finds, things that you just find in like your local shops. You could be decorating your home. You could be renovating things. You could be getting things cleared out or wanting to do these things. It's just a beautiful little energy that you feel on the other side of yourself. All right. I'm also getting something about savings accounts. Okay. I'm getting really things that you're more so like feeling, because it's making you feel some type of way. So either you're feeling really good about things or you're not feeling good about things. It really just depends on which Gemini this message is for, okay? But I've been getting that some of you may feel like it's time to get baptized, okay? Some of you have never been baptized before. And there's a Gemini out there that's thinking about getting baptized and getting saved and having their come to Jesus moment, okay? So you guys are going to the Father. You guys are going to the Father. Some of you guys are needing God for help. All right. You're praying more. Some of you just need to feel refreshed. You feel like you need to do something to change things, to find balance in your life. You may have been feeling really tiresome, lazy lately, not really talking much, but knowing that you need help. Okay. Yeah, there's something like that going on with you, Gemini, for sure. Okay. It's kind of murky energy here. All right, let's see. Your person of interest, how do they feel? Okay, this person feels lonely right now. This person is lonely. They need someone around them, I feel. But I don't think that you guys are focused so much on love that you can be that person. And then I think you also have your own problems you're going through. So you can't always be easily accessible to this person all the time, because you have other important things to do. You have bills to pay or something like that. You guys are trying to save money. There's something going on, but this person feels unrequited love from you, Gemini. They feel like you're not giving them enough attention. You're not showing them enough love. This person feels scared to have everything exposed. I'm getting that. So this could be something where some of you are going through a divorce, but you have a secret affair. And this person you have a secret affair with is afraid that everything is going to come out. So this person is trying to be cautious, and they're tiptoeing through the connection because of that, or vice versa. They are not supposed to be with you, and they're keeping secrets, and they don't want this to get out. Could be that. What else? Could be some type of scandal involved. Okay, that's a different story, and I'm not here for that. I don't like to get into the yucky things like that. What I want to do is just talk about the feelings and the point of view perspectives, okay? So this person just feels this. So this person may even feel like you're cheating on them, or that you have someone else, or that you're keeping secrets from them, or that there's some type of information that you're not telling them, whether it be legal, business, family, or love. This person feels like there's an inner war going on between the two of you. Maybe this is someone who you've been married to for a long time. Whatever kind of connection this person is feeling like you two don't get along, basically. Like you two are not getting along well, or that they can sense that if they overstep their boundaries right now, that you two could get into an argument or clash because of everything that you have going on, Gemini. This person wants to make room for new things to come into this connection. They want to welcome new energy into the connection. They want to take it to a new level. I also sense that this is someone who feels like your need for money is fueled by greed. They don't feel like you need money just because you don't have any money at all. They kind of feel like you have money, but that you want more, and you want money and access just because. Or possibly this person feels like you want them just for their money. For some of you, this is someone who feels like you have an issue with commitment, or that maybe you just want them for sex, okay? There's something around this person and you guys' energy that's definitely not cohesive. It's not, something is not the same when it comes to feelings. And again, keep in mind, these are things that maybe this person never told you, maybe you never told them. This is just what I'm picking up about feelings, okay? Now, this is what is seen. We're moving on to the point of view. Gemini, what you see in this person, you see this as someone who's very calm. Very calm. They're centered. They know themselves. They know who they are. They're accepting of who they are. You see them as being a peaceful person. You see them as someone who's releasing attachment. So going back to what I was saying here, someone is leaving someone else for you, Gemini, or they're going through a divorce here, or maybe they're letting you go, or they already let you go. There is something here that this person is also letting go. You see them as someone who has done everything that they can do within a connection, and they've surrendered now. They've surrendered to the divine. They no longer know what to do to fix a situation, whether it's with you or with someone else. This is someone who you see as having nothing else to prove, nothing else to say. You see them as someone who's now letting go of control over everything in the way in which this connection moves forward. You see them as being detached from the outcome. You see them as not really knowing, what to do, how to resolve it. They're just like, it is what it is now. Okay. So some of you see this as someone like this. Some of you have been praying for this person behind the scenes, hoping that things in their life would get better, or hoping that things in your own life would get better so that things could get better for the two of you. It's going to be multiple scenarios. You guys are Gemini, so the energy for Gemini is never one way and is never consistent amongst the entire collective of Geminis. Pick and choose and pick parts out of this story where it fits for you and you're the main character, okay? But there is something here about you guys needing to pray at this time. I do sense that you guys need to pray the serenity prayer. Some of you could be dealing with an Aries or a Taurus, because I think Aries or Taurus had one of those prayers in their reading. So check out the Aries or Taurus reading on my channel. It's the love reading, okay? On my channel, just posted that today. So check that out, because somebody could be dealing with an Aries or a Taurus, and that's why this prayer is coming up again, okay? Now, how does your person view you, Gemini? This person sees you as someone who has big dreams. You do. Like, you have big dreams. You are trying to be successful. That's all you want to do, is make money or improve your financial situation. They see you as someone who just needs more money or needs to be successful. For some of you, they see you as a gold digger. For others of you, it's not that extreme. It's just that they know that you want to do better. You want to make more money. You want to live a better lifestyle. You want to be at peace with your finances, okay? Some of them look at you as someone who thinks it's impossible to get out of your situation right now or to improve your situation. They want you to have a better life, but they feel like you're holding yourself back because you don't think it's possible for this to happen for you, okay? This person feels like you need more light in your life. They could be a person who's praying for you instead of you praying for them. This person feels like you need God right now, Gemini. Like you need to go to God and you need to pray. You need to change some things. You need to attend church maybe, or a religious temple, or you need to find your spirituality that is going to work for you, that's going to center you, that's going to keep all the negativity and drama away. This person feels like sometimes whatever you're going through can lead you to making things up about the connection between the two of you. Sometimes you just say things and they're just like, now how did you make that up? Where did you get that from? Like, it's kind of like they think you assume things, okay? It's like you make the impossible real. Like things that you say that they do or that they did, they're like, how? Okay, but other than that, this person feels like it's time for you to act on your dreams, that you don't need to just sit there and just be dreaming about what you want to do with your life and how you're going to make more money. This person feels like now is the time for you to step forward and take one step at a time here on your journey. Okay, so this is a supportive person to you. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. If you are interested in learning more and what to do in this kind of situation, angelic advice and guidance about everything, and how, like, what intentions this person has for you and what they're trying to do, I recommend getting the extended. Okay, so check the extended out, ladyofthethrone.gumroad.com. Check that out. Thank you so much, Gemini. I hope that your situation gets better. I can definitely help you out with this and give you nice encouraging words. Okay, I hope you feel better. Thank you so much. God bless you.